Hi! In front of me is Lenovo 10e Chromebook, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video files to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. When you're ready, click on this icon with a photo and a paper clip at the bottom right corner. Now to add an audio file, pick one of those sources, in my case Downloads. Then select your file by clicking on it and tap on Open at the bottom right corner to add it. So when I do that, as you can see, mine was successfully attached. In order to add a video one, click on the same icon. Pick preferable source, in this case camera. Click on your video and select Open as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!